Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Genshin Impact account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in genshin.mihoyo.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the main homepage for Genshin Impact, click on the login button at the top right and click on the register now button if you don't have an account yet and you'd like to sign up for a new one. Enter a valid email address in the text box at the top and click on the send button. You'll receive a verification code sent to your email address you are trying to associate with. Open up the email received from MiHoYo and copy the code that is sent to you. In the verification code text box, paste in the code and create a password for yourself in the next field. Retype in the password in the next field in order to confirm it, and then click on this I've read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy box and finally click register. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new account or sign up for Genshin Impact. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.